Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a contact to a list in HubSpot. Now first, of course, you need a list. If you don't have one, let me just quickly show you how to get it. So here you see this phone book or address book icon here at the left panel. Hover over it, come here, click on list right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create a list. So you come here at the top right, click on create list. What do you want to create a list of? I want to create a list of contacts. I'll come here, toggle this one, click on next right here, and you are able to have any filters if you would like. For example, the properties of the contact, right? What they have for their ad interactions, things like that. We're just going to ignore this for now. Click on review and save. Okay. And right now we can make a static list. You can add a description if you'd like. Let's just go ahead and save and process this list. So we have this unnamed list. You can name it, let's say, answer ASAP, right? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. There you go. And now to add contacts here, you just come hover over here again, click on contacts. Okay. Now we're going to add some contacts to that list. So go ahead and click on this check mark. Okay. This checkbox to select the ones you want to go ahead and add to the list. Come here and click on more, click on add to static list. And from here, we will go ahead and choose this list right here. Click on add. And there you go. They have been added to the list. If you just want to make sure, just come here to those lists again, and you can see it for yourself. So here we go. This page is currently loading up, and then we'll go ahead and access this list. Let's see if we have our 3 contacts right there. Okay, so come here. It should have been added right here. So let's see. Okay, so they have the contacts right here, as you can see. And if you always want to add from this section, you can come here, click on actions, click on add contacts. Okay, and then choose whatever contact you want to add to this list. You can do that as well, up to 25 at a time. And then just go ahead and click on add contact. As you can see, one was already in our list, so it will not be added again. So we have 6 contacts in total. And there you go. Really that easy and simple.